medium to heavy coat over the gloss black. Once the chrome paint is down, you'll see it start to clear up and become chrome right before your eyes. The warmer the weather, the quicker it will become chrome. Now I'm going to start spraying my helmets. These have been sanded and sprayed with adhesion promoter. Now I'm spraying the gloss black, giving it about 3 coats, waiting 10 minutes between coats. The Easy Chrome can be applied to anything that you can paint. Just prepare it properly and apply the appropriate primer, and you can spray whatever you want in this Easy Chrome paint. While I let the black dry on the helmets, I'm going to start spraying the chrome on these speed shapes that I painted earlier. On this shape, I'm using a spray gun. I'm going to move on to the other shapes using different methods to spray them. If you don't have a spray gun, you can use this Prevail spray can unit. Basically, you just pour the chrome paint into the pot, attach the power unit to the top, and it gives you a spray can nozzle on the top of that. Then you can just use it to spray anything you want. And it's great for applying this chrome paint over the gloss black.
You only need to spray 1 even coat, and that's enough for the chrome to do its job. Once it's down, it'll look hazy, but depending on the heat, it'll clear up in about 10 to 20 seconds. Here you can see the results between the spray can and the spray gun. They both look pretty good. Now it's time to try the brush on test. I've let this black dry for about 3 to 4 days. Now I'm going to brush the chrome on. I'm just going to cover it, try and get it nice and even, and see how it goes. As you can see, it looks really good. There are a few slight little brush strokes, but other than that, it definitely looks like real chrome. Back to the helmets. I've let these helmets dry for about 3 to 4 days. Now I'm spraying the chrome paint on. I'm using a 1mm spray gun, it's a mini gun, and I'm just spraying one nice even coat over the helmets. That's going to give me a great chrome finish.